Hello everyone, thank you for opening this video tutorial. My name is Mohammad Jahidul Tushar, and now I'm going to speak with you how we can georeference, or how we can make you can say georeference or digitize in Google Earth Pro. And this is the most interesting idea which I have discovered, and maybe there are some other tutorials, but let's get started that how we can make, or how we can digitize and georeference in Google Earth Pro. Okay, first of all, go to your I am going to digitize Dhaka city area. So Dhaka city corporation shift image. Okay, there is the building. Okay, Dhaka city corporation map. Okay, we got it. It is not like official site, so the official, yeah. Okay, if you find the official image, then you can use it. Just for practice purpose, I am just using it. Okay, this image. It's not clear. File. Okay, got it. So we are going to save it. So DCC. Now let's add it in our Google Earth Pro. Okay, so how we are going to add it? So as you can see in the toolbars in the upper level, add image overlay. So we are going to add an image. Let's drag it in our current extent. Okay, so go to the browse and open the image. Here we got it. So as you're seeing that this image is distorting if we are not using shift button. Okay, so try to use shift button while you are adjusting the size or shape of this image. So we are going to add it again, okay, because it's distorted. Add image overlay, browse. Okay, and give the opacity bevel so that you can clearly visible, or you can clearly see the background base map. Okay, as you're seeing that this image and this image is really different, because Dhaka City Corporation area is changing rapid, and that is why it may be the previous year data or something else. That is why it is not fit properly. But when you are using the current or updated image, then you must, and you will get the clear view of the background base map and your downloaded map. So in this practice, for this practice purpose, we are just considering the most possibility of accuracy, and I think, okay, this is the let's adjust it. Okay, as you are seeing that this portion, like in this particular portion, the area has increased in Dhaka City Corporation. In the previous years, this image is outside of Dhaka City Corporation. Maybe that is why it is not included in it. Okay. Think this area should be increased. Okay, now it is okay. It is South City Corporation area. I think we have adjusted our downloaded map and base map. So just increase the transparency. And now we are going to draw our shapefile of South City Corporation area. So as you have seen that how we can add polygon in our Google Earth Pro interface, then you can easily do it. So let's add our shapefile. So for practice purpose, I'm just giving it in fast mode. So while you are doing it for your academic purpose, then you should maintain the accuracy, okay, because it is really important to maintain the boundary properly, otherwise it will not give you a good outcome. Okay, I'm just adding it randomly for practice purpose. So we got our shapefile. So let's see what we have created. Okay, here is the shapefile we have created. It is the Dhaka South City Corporation. So thank you for watching. After watching this, I think you can easily you can say that digitize your current study area map in Google Earth Pro interface. And the benefit of this tutorial, actually, while we are georeferencing in that the georeferencing process is sometimes it's really difficult, because in ArcGIS or QGIS or other softwares, while you are using georeferencing tasks, sometimes it is not user friendly for the person who are new at GIS level. So I think after watching this tutorial, you can easily digitize your area. We don't need to digitize georeference. You just draw your study area after plotting the image in Google Earth Pro interface by using the image overlay tools. Okay, thank you everyone.